Today, we stand at the threshold of a new chapter in our provincial history. A story written not by a single hand, but by a joint aspiration of our farmers, fisher folks, youth, entrepreneurs, educators, health workers, leaders, and every person from different walks of life who calls this province a home.
This event is a manifestation of your belief that as leaders of La Union, you recognize the presence of God, especially as you renew your pledge to serve with compassion and integrity.
Bound together by shared dreams and common goals, may your service as representatives of the people honor the trust you've been given and the unity our province represents.
Kadwa tayo, tinulong tayo, nga pangpasayaat, tila Union, amin nga pagsayatan, aramidin tayo.
Agkay-kaysa tayo amin, I will always say, awan timabati, body and soul, I will serve our province of La Union.
Super Mario Ortega, gobernador ng masa. Super sa malasakit, super sa serbisyo. Super mahal na Union, sa puso at gawa mula Rosario hanggang Sudipen. Abot ang serbisyo niya.
Nagragsaka sa pikaragsakan tanabuo iti pamilya Ortega.
May sa titurong, may sa tipanggap. No kay kaysa adati kapya, no dati kapya adati progreso.
Ang aming mahal na La Union, mula sa kanyang pangalan ay simbolo ng pagkakaisa. United La Union ang aming hangarin para sa mas progresibong kinabukasan. Mahal ka namin La Union, sa 19 na munisipyo at isang syudad. Iisa ang tinig, iisang puso, nagkakaisang La Union. Let's go! El United, sigaw ng bawat isa.
We are one with you in championing ang matino, mahusay at maaasahang pamahalaang lokal.